In case if you have to transfer photo from iPhone to your Android phone, and that too without Wi-Fi, then let us see how to do it. Now if you have a Wi-Fi connection, then you can easily use applications such as WhatsApp or Messenger in order to transfer the app. But if you don't have, then let us see how to do it. Now for that one, you can use this application Share It. You should have this app installed in both of the devices. Now I have switched off Wi-Fi in both of my devices. I will open Share It application in iPhone as well as in Android device. Now I will tap on send option in iPhone, select any picture and then send. I will tap receive button in Android phone and you can see there is a QR code. So I have to scan this QR code with my iPhone. You can see there is an option here, connect to Android. Let me tap on it and I will scan the QR code. Now when I scan, I will get the option to join. Select join and you can see the file is already transferred from iPhone to Android. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.